So the idea of the raita, yeah, is to cool it down, yes?
Yeah.
So, cucumber, mint and yogurt. And fresh lime juice at the very end. On. Potato at the top.
Yes, chef.
Sandra, please do not burn, the potatoes like you did with the
chef.
fucking toast, yes? Spinach on the side, yeah? Okay, then from there, fish out. Listen, up, very carefully. Go onto your tray and move it over. But, be very, very careful, yeah? A little bit of vinegar, just a touch in there. Over. Now, anyone complains about the presentation there, they can fuck themselves, okay? 50 like that, I guarantee 50 will pay.
Yes,
Let's go, yes? Let's go, ladies, please. I don't want it boiling.
No, this.
I want a nice coating, of the marinade on there, yes?
Right.
Okay? Really nice coating. Excuse me. Let's go. Sandra.
Yes,
Judith, you need to keep an eye on how long the fish has been in for. Minimum 5 minutes.
Yes,
Colour
chef.
and turn, yes?
Yes,
Yes,
chef.
chef.
Chef, is the fish ready now? Should I take
Oh,
the
that
fish?
fucking voice. Susan,
Yes.
why haven't you managed to get a fella?
I don't understand. I can't understand it myself.
Too picky?
Well, you've got to be out in this day and age. There's some scroats out there.
You know when you go on that first date, do you speak or do you just sit there silent?
Oh, can you imagine being quiet? Come on.
Never.
Gently, it's fish, yes? Yeah, touch that. That's not cooked. Come on, back in. Quick, back in. Quick, gently, don't shake the pan. You really are a little cesspit. Look at your fucking bowl. Clean down my hot plate.
No,
Right, spinach, Justin, please.
Come on, Susan.
No.
First, last. Just a touch, just a touch. No, that is olive oil. Gotta move, you ladies. The first table was fucking great. Now we're just going to pot. Let's go. Clean the plates. Table 11, yes? You happy with that? Happy? Good.
Yes,
Table 11, go.
Really? It's
Very nice, go. We've all gone silent now. No one's talking to each other.
chef.
Let's go.
Thank you very much. Is it cooked? That's like burnt on the outside and raw on the inside.
Turn it.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Yeah, it's 2 minutes away from being cooked, yes?
Yes,
That
chef.
bit there is beautifully cooked. That bit in there is raw.
Yes,
That's
chef.
not good enough. Send it away. They want 2 fresh ones.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, let's go.
Yes,
We got
chef.
off to the most amazing start, yes?
Yes, chef.
All of a sudden, the main course was just deflated. Such a shame. How long for your fish?
Come in.
Chef, is it done?
Yeah, that's fine. Last table from here with
Chef,
the
do
very
you
own
want to check
spot.
this? Because I think it's done.
We don't want it going out wrong.
That's nice. Nicely cooked. Susan, yeah?
Yes, chef.
Okay, as you lift the fish, yes? Make love to
Gently.
it, don't fuck it. Gently, watch out. Here comes Susan. Watch
Oh
out.
my God.
I'm here.
Yeah, nice. Go. Table 15. Right, come here. Such a difficult fish to cook, yes?
Yes.
But you've got to understand, it's better to be 30 seconds over than 30
Yes,
seconds
chef.
under,
Yeah.
yes?
Yeah.
I hope second time they went out, they were perfect, yeah?
Yes, chef.
Okay, clear down, well done.
Thank
Gas
you.
off, yes? Dear, oh dear.
It's beautifully cooked, very subtly spiced, and totally worth the money.
I think the fish is really lovely. It's just really well cooked and really nice balance with all the spices.
Okay, right, results. They come out, ladies? Yeah?
Yes,
Main
chef.
course results, yes, go. Okay, JB.
Oh, God.
Yeah?
Oh, God.
Okay. 45 out of 50. Now, God, dear, oh dear. Yes. My God.
You do it!
Jesus. That means, if you get more than 27 out of 50 customers paying for the dessert, you'll knock those fucking Eton boys off.
We might as well
Yes.
put them down now.
That doesn't mean to say you take it easy and coast for half your diners.
No.
Make sure that all 50 pay for those desserts, yes?
Yes, chef.